Maobithaa 80 kuma ruhonge rwa guthurima mutaratara wa githomo aria marahurite kambi nyumba-ini ya gukomwo ya Kabarak kaunti-ini ya Naikuru maigitwo keheri-ini nyumba-ini ino thutha wa aruti wira eri gatagati ka aria maramatungataga kuonekana na COVID19. Kuringana na Minister wa Githomo George Mangoha, 80 aya ni gatagati ka maobithaa aria maragomanite guku amwe makirikana marahurite kambi nyumba-ini cia gukomwo cia arutwo.
The KICD has continued to look at books for grade 7, and I think grade 9, 10 and 11. There was a plan to have people there starting Saturday, and they were supposed to start working today on the university side. On the other side, where we had this problem, was the guest house. So some 2 people tested positive in the guest house. Up to this morning, there had been 80 people who had arrived there. They have been quarantined. I've been in touch with Dr. Amoth. They are going to be tested. They will remain quarantined there for 14 days.
Maya magithie na mbere, Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri ithiete na mbere gwikirira ikiro cia utheru hari bara ya kung'ethanira na gutamba gwa COVID19 oriri namba ya aria monekanite na murimu uyu ithimine iria itafanitio mathaa 24 yongererekete na arwaru 120. Ministry no.
Today we have 120 people who have tested positive for COVID-19. This is from a sample size of 2,221 that was tested over the past 24 hours. The total caseload in the country now stands at 6,190, and the total number of samples tested at 167,417. Nairobi has 67, Mombasa 17, Kajiado 9, Machakos 9, Kiambu 8, Uasin Gishu 4, Nakuru 2, Kilifi 2, and Narok 2. Sadly also, we have lost 1 more patient to the disease, bringing our fatalities to 144.
Ministry no oho ni yamukirite indo itiganite cia kuhuthika ni marigitari kwirigiriria hindi ya kuheana motungata ma urigitani igitanywo kunyagio kaunti-ini iria ciandikithitie namba ya iguru ya arwaru guku bururi-ini.
These items will be distributed to the counties of Nairobi, Kitui, Mombasa, Kwale, Migori, Lamu, Kisumu, Busia, Kilifi, Narok, Homa Bay, Marsabit, Isiolo, Mandera, and Wajir.
As first responders, our volunteers are on the ground in all the 47 counties to support these efforts by our government.
We remain committed to our work to ensure that we bring preventable maternal deaths to 0. We bring gender-based violence to 0, and unmet need for family planning also heads to 0.
Akenya marathie na mbere gutindikiririo ritana ria kurio matie mawatho maguikara haraihu mundu na uria ungi undu umwe na gwithema gutabania micemanio kana magongona itemine ria gucokia thi grafu ya gutamba kwa murimu uyu iria ithiete na mbere kwiyukiriria. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngigi wa Nyamu.